DOD's office says, this dude meticulously researched, planned, and attempted to assassinate, and had stated he targeted 3 sitting Supreme Court judges. He explained he wanted to alter the constitutional order. And his own words say that he was shooting for 3 people. He attempted to fly from LA to Washington, Dulles, but he arrived at the airport too late to check a bag that had a knife, a gun, ammunition, a lockpick set, and other equipment. So he still wanted to go out. He made a flight the next day. He couldn't even make it to the airport on time. On June 8th, he then arrived at Washington, Dulles, took a taxi to the personal residence of the Supreme Court judge. He had packed and brought a suitcase containing a purchased Glock 17, maybe he got at the store, 2 loaded magazines, additional ammunition, a chest rig, harness used to carry the tactical gear, a knife, lockpicks, hammer, screwdriver, nail punch, crowbar, duct tape, hiking boots with padded affixed to the bottom of the soles so you can't trace the pattern, and pepper spray. Now, 2 deputy U.S. Marshals who were guarding Kavanaugh's residence saw the taxi arrive and stop in the street. They watched him get out and get a suitcase. One of the marshals postured to be able to get out of her car, cracking open her door and illuminating the interior of her vehicle. Upon seeing law enforcement, this dude then decided to walk past the front of the house and directly past the marshal. In his own words, he said, I noticed immediately that there were people sitting outside. It was like a very empty neighborhood. So I was like, oh, they're keeping a lookout. It was only after this point, after observing a visible law enforcement presence, that he walked past Brett's home, received a phone call from his sister, and then after speaking for 20 minutes, called 911. Damn, thank you, sister. Wow. Called, hey, what are you doing? Don't do this, okay? Dude calls 911. Amazing. Defendant's criminal conduct, attempted assassination, required extensive premeditation. Research, plan, procured tools. He wanted to kill the judges. And so now we want no more than 30 years to life in prison. We're not seeking any restitution. We know the facts and we've made our briefings known. Now, while the events transpired in the middle of the night, it was about only 9 hours of time. He was planning this for 3 months. So yeah, it was a small little situation, but he'd been thinking about this. He was posting on Reddit. Which person's death would have the biggest impact in the world? He also looked for this for months. Quietest semi-auto rifle, gun calibers, best silencers for the Glock, homemade silencers. How far are 9mm accurate? Dude, it's just dropping like a laundry list of indictable search terms. Not good.